When I bought my BX 2380 a couple years ago, I had bought it with Kubota Credit, 5 years, same as cash. And after several payments or so, I called them up and I wanted to know if I made extra payments. And the way I did it, I would wait a couple days, make a payment, wait a few days, or whenever I wanted to get ahead. Could I make multiple payments, and then when those payments were due, say you paid January, then a few weeks later, a few days later, you paid February, then you did the same for March, and say even April, could I skip through February, March, and April, and then make the payment for May? So I called up to see if I in fact could do that. One of the reasons I wanted to do that is sometimes I get laid off in the winter for a few months. So by getting ahead like that, didn't have to worry about those payments. So they did in fact tell me that you can do that. You can skip a payment if you make payments ahead of time. So I just make note of when I make a payment, what month it's due, the month and year. And then if in the winter I'm laid off, I can skip whatever payments I'm ahead to the following month that I need to catch up on. So I just thought I'd mention that. Didn't know if you knew that. I think it's a great idea. I think it's really nice that they do that. Most loans do not allow that I know of. Anything you pay extra is on the principal, and you still got to make your monthly payments.